Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we are C Ansible knowledge. This is my Silent Solution. Here is a Linux cloud related many video we can see and visit our channel. I think have many idea and many video. Here is a playlist Ansible tutorial. How to write playbook, how to start, how to lab prepared. Let's go. This is Ansible board is very important our Ansible for exam. When where are the exam, the time is the board have a 3 or 4 question. That's I have to care is first of all where create is how to create a vault. It is simple but not I prefer exam question, but just we are concept and you have to try to the this concept and your question solved. Let's go. First of all, we are board. Actually, it is working. Our playbook is encrypted and pre-encrypted. Our playbook is given the password. Just you have to give it. Let's go. First of all, we are opening our terminal. This is our terminal. This is a very interactive terminal. SSS application. This is a terminus, how to terminus, installation and config, how to use. I have my channel. This SSS logging application. You can see, and I have you have very interactive SSS application terminal. Let's go then. VA will D alt YAML alt YAML. This is where already created this app. Just describe. This is first must we have name playback host all host P. Here is a board var. First, here is a variable declaration. Here is silent password. Silent TP1. Here is a password. Use the password. You can use your password. Task and name. Creating user. Username silent solution. Password. Here is our variable declaration. Here is a let's go. Now we are save and exit. Now save our playbook. Ansible playbook or we are ego. Save our YML language syntax. SONTAX CAC. Yeah, I think our scripting is done. Now we're dry run, not run, just we're checking our settings. I think is great is yeah, this input hash password argument must be encrypted module working properly. This first playbook have many playbook as a for board. We have tons already. First here we are our screen. Now we are Ansible server A. Shum. Have no user. Let's get to our playbook. Here is not all server, just were kept. Eh, this is user. Let's go. First of all, we are save and exit. We're checking ID our server. Have no idea. Now we run our playbook. Changing. This is not worry. No. Yeah. Our server already created one user and with password. This is my simple vault play. Now we're how to encrypt it our vault. This play Ansible vault encrypt encrypted vault encrypted. Just will be yeah or is now given password we are get password. Now we are again try our playbook running. This playbook already encrypted but not running because our playbook encrypted. Now we are again decrypted our given password. Yeah, now we're again Ansible playbook run. Our playbook is working. Also, let's go. First of all, we are encrypted our file. Yeah, yeah. Now we're see vault file. It is encrypted. No anything else. That's mean we are our file security. Vault our playbook have a security. Now we are again how to see this encrypted. Our password is done. Now we are kept vault. We are see when we are encrypted our file. Now encrypted is done. Now again say cat is a different yeah. But we'll see how to see this file. Now Ansible view. We are just have a missing just missing That's why you have to not working here. Must be you giving your password. But we are, I think, now edit our file. That time is it? Edit. We are given password. Edit is done. Now we'll change our vault password. How to change our vault password? Is if we use the wiki Ansible for wiki vault. Our sense vault, I think, is missing. We are some mistake. That's why I have to read our password, new vault password, confirm password. We are successfully our vault password changing. Now we are giving our edit. Old password is not working. Old password. Now we are again our changing password is coming where our playbook have secure now. Anybody else ball catch but no any. Thanks for watching. We are next another video come.